So this morning I'm going to do a short live demo in order to show what we have in our training facility for demonstrating this in real life when we're doing training, and also to show how our applications work for customers who want to apply these sorts of vibration techniques. So our control system, the controllers from Bachmann, can do a lot of the work near the machine. They're effectively edge devices. They can do all the vibration analysis close to the machine, but probably you don't want too deep an insight coming straight into your control room or your bridge or your engineers on site. On the ship, you want that data available for specialists to look at, but you want something a little more short term to keep you in the position of knowing what your machine's doing and collecting enough data to do more analysis if you need to. So we have these two areas that we're looking at. The CMS Visu runs on the controller, and it allows you to get some diagnostics and some alarms and watch what's going on with the vibration in real time. So this is set up on a system that's looking at our rig. You can see this morning I discovered that one of the sensors had fallen off, so I had to disconnect it while I got it glued back on. That was so that's that one. And then yesterday I was doing some practicing, so there was some readings triggered, and you just get alarm messages like this about the status of the measurement system and also any high readings that may come through. We have the diagnostic capabilities to tell you what's happening on the measurement system itself. If it's part of the control system, you see the whole control system there as well. And then in general, we have some controls as to show how the collection of the data is going on. But what we're interested in today is the trend data, which gives us the graphs of the vibration. So I shall just start up the rig, and if I go into one of the trends, we have here a selection of different yeah, here we are. We've started now. We've got our first measurement points coming in there. Then if I take the speed up a little, it gets a little bit noisy, I'm afraid. I hope you can still hear me. But we can see now we have more data points coming in, and we've got a higher vibration level because the machine's running at a higher speed. So this allows us to, the CMS Visu software can not only take a continuous reading, but it can also give different aspects. So this is the second acceleration. We've got two different filters. The first acceleration gives us a slightly different shape. We also have a velocity filter, which shows us lower frequency data. So you can see we get a continuous coming in. That data is stored. I'm afraid the noise is rather high, so I've switched the machine off now, as you'll have realized, and then the levels will show up again as coming back down to a lower level. So you see we've come back down again after that period. But what we can also do during this measurement is we can take a more detailed measurement, which creates a waveform from the vibration of the machine, and that measurement can then be sent off either off ship to a specialist on shore, or if you have a specialist on the ship, somebody at the ship can take it away and look at it in a more detailed system. We can also arrange if there's communications possible, even if that's only when the ship's in port, it's possible to have a monitoring service where the data gets transferred back to our team at Bachmann Monitoring, who can look at the vibrations for you and give an indication of what's going on. So what's happening in the background is the monitoring system is taking a detailed measurement from the machine every now and then, every hour or so, but you have these continuous overall levels showing what's going on with the machine, and you have continuous alarming. So if something suddenly changes and a vibration goes up, then an alarm will be triggered, and the system can take a sample of more detailed data from that point.